Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix blurry Facebook pictures. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, the first option, I'm going to be showing you how to fix it. If you are trying to view pictures right here from your specific home section, all right, for example, this one, if it's blurry, there's a problem. You need to go ahead and go to the top left, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings, and then find all the way down, you have media. So just tap on it and make sure that it is set to optimized and on mobile data and Wi-Fi. Do not use data saver right here. And once that's done, make sure or ensure that your Wi-Fi or mobile data is stable, as an unstable connection compresses videos and photos. All right, that's why you're seeing pixelated pictures under your home tab. So if you're trying to upload, but it seems to be blurry, again, go ahead over to media right here. If you have the option to upload HD quality, enable it. And also, make sure that you capture the picture from your specific phone's camera or the built-in camera, not from the Facebook app, okay? So when you go ahead and open up your camera, for example, photo right here, make sure that you use the highest available resolution. If HD quality is available, go ahead and change it to HD. And once that's done, snap a photo right here, and then go ahead and open a Facebook. Let's say you're trying to upload a reel or a story, click on create story, select the photo, and then hit on next or share. And that is how you fix blurry Facebook pictures. I hope this video helps, so I'll see you in the next one.